Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of FxPro app. We click on settings. In this page, you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about FxPro and you will enter. Then in this page of app info, you will click on full stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.